Lesson 48. How to make the nai form verb. I'll teach you how to make nai form verbs. If you can't make nai form verbs, you can say I don't go, I didn't go, I have to go, I had to go, and I shouldn't have gone. Nai form is fantastic. I'll teach you I don't go, I didn't go in the next lesson. After that, I have to go, I had to go. Finally, I shouldn't have gone. So don't worry about it. It's really easy. Okay, let's make nai form verbs. Do you remember there are 3 groups of verbs? If you don't know about it, please watch the videos from lesson 40. I'll put the URL on the description box. Okay, first, group 1. Write. 書く u becomes あ書かない書かない Group 2. Eat. 食べる Throw away る食べない食べない This is the same rule as the mass form. So group 2 verbs always throw away る Okay, group 3. Do. する uru becomes いしないしない This is also same rule as the mass form. So うる becomes い If you can already make the mass form, you have to memorize only group 1. How easy! Group 3 has another verb, so come, 来る But I think you should memorize this is only exception. So just memorize 来る becomes 来ない If you can't make the mass form, you can say all of them in Japanese. So I'll say again, please learn how to make mass form. Okay. Rule number 1. Becomes a, throw away る uru changes e and put ない I'll teach you I don't go, I didn't go, casual with nai form verbs in the next video.